Do you want to look stylish, but yet keep everything simple and not overdone? Then this is the video for you. And I'm going to give you all the tips you need to know. So let's dive in right now. First of all, I want to talk about the overall key to looking simple and stylish. I love a simple yet stylish wardrobe. If you're not familiar, I did a Project 333 capsule wardrobe where I wore 33 pieces for 3 months, and it really helped me focus on why I love dressing simply and not overdoing everything and not having an overabundance of clothing. So there are 3 keys to accomplishing that goal, and these are what you want to keep in mind when you're looking for clothes to bring in your wardrobe. The first thing is you want to focus on the basics. Those are going to be your essential pieces. And some of my favorites are a crisp white blouse, like what I've got on, a blazer, a good quality blazer or jacket, and a good pair of well-fitting jeans. And what I love about this combination is that those 3 key pieces can be mixed and matched with so many other items in your wardrobe. They are just a really good foundation for a plethora of outfits. You can also look for things like a simple skirt or some basic tees, just all those kind of boring pieces that build the foundation of your wardrobe, and they will allow you to mix and match for a variety of great choices. The second tip I have for you has to do with accessories. Just a simple bit of jewelry can really elevate an entire outfit. Even if you're just wearing a plain white t-shirt and a pair of jeans, you elevate it with some nice jewelry and the whole outfit just kind of comes to life because of those accessories you're wearing. Or you could have a great bag on or a fun pair of shoes. It takes just a basic outfit to something extraordinary. The third tip I have for you is mixing textures. Now, I love textures. In fact, you can see from the texture of my sweater paired with the plain, clean lines of this poplin cotton shirt. They play really well together because I've added that bit of texture in here. And you could do that with other things like a chunky knit sweater with smooth leather leggings or a silk blouse paired with denim. Think of those opposite textures and how they kind of pop one another, and they'll really add a lot when you're putting outfits together. And the last tip I have for you is not to ignore your footwear. A really good pair of shoes can make or break your outfit. Even a pair of sleek sneakers or ballet flats can take an outfit and make it look really pulled together and chic. And if you're ready to take it from day to night, you could switch it up to a pair of really beautiful classic heels. The next tip I have for you is something that a lot of us struggle, especially women over 50. I don't know why we struggle with it, but it is something that we tend to struggle with. And it is how to look stylish without trying too hard. Let's keep in mind the keys that we just talked about, all those tips that I just gave you. But now I want you to make that whole look appear very casual and effortless, like you just rolled out of bed and you look like this. Here are 4 great tips for really keeping it looking natural and so that you're not feeling like you're looking like you tried too hard. Number 1 is you can stick to a neutral color palette. Think of neutrals like black, white, beige, and navy. Those are good foundations. They're a great starting place. And by starting with those, it's really going to help your wardrobe have anchor and not look overboard. And what I love about these, they mix and match together really well, and they all look great with denim. The second tip I have for you is to try monochromatic outfits. So if you dress all in one color or in similar shades of one color, it creates a really gorgeous and harmonious look. And if you notice, a lot of celebrities will wear this monochromatic look, and a lot of female politicians will wear monochromatic looks. For the same reason, it looks pulled together, elegant, stylish, but it doesn't look like you're trying too hard. And it's very tasteful, and it never really looks overdone. Tip number 3 I have for you is to choose clothes with clean lines. I know when you're shopping, it's really easy to see things with maybe an applique or embellishments or embroidery, lots of extra details. And those are the things that will make it look dated and overdone and just too much. And you're not sure why. That's usually why. And they look really fun and exciting when you see them in the store, But then when you're trying to put those pieces together with other items in your wardrobe, it makes it really difficult because you might have two things with embellishments or embroidery on them, and then you've got too much going on, and that's when it starts to look like you're trying too hard. So keep the lines clean. It will give your outfit a more sophisticated look, and it will also have a very polished look to it. And the fourth tip I have, so that you're not feeling like you're trying too hard, is avoid over accessorizing. Sometimes just one piece of jewelry is all you need to set off your entire outfit. In fact, if you're not sure if you're over accessorizing, I did an entire video on how to accessorize your jewelry. You can check it out right here. You're going to love it. It gives you the tips on how to pull together the right accessories for every single outfit. So check that out. If you have anything I've left out on looking simple and stylish, I love to hear from you. Put that in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.